morning, sir. This is G. Krupabshek from CSMB. Now I am here to explain the construction and working of H2O2 and H3OH-O2 fuel cell. This my PPT contains definition of fuel cell, construction of a fuel cell, diagram of a fuel cell, working of a fuel cell, advantages of H2O2 cell and methanol O2 cell, disadvantages and issues of H2O2 cell and O2 cell. Definition: fuel cell. What is mean of fuel cell? Fuel cell is a device that produces electricity through a chemical reaction between a source fuel and an oxidant. Or we can simply say that the cell which converts the chemical energy into electrical energy without combustion. There are several examples like hydrogen, oxygen fuel, H2O2 fuel cell, methanol O2 fuel cell, etc. Construction: the fuel cell consists an anode, a cathode, and a electrolyte. Hydrogen is passed through the anode, and oxygen is passed through the cathode. Anode: porous carbons electrodes act as anode. Cathode: porous carbons electrodes act as cathode. Small amount of finely powdered PT or PD or AJ is added to porous carbon electrodes, acts as catalyst. Diagram of a fuel cell. You can see the hot concentrated solution at this center compartment with producers working. It works, and at the anode, hydrogen molecules get split into electrons and protons. The protons pass the electrolyte, and electrons generate electricity through the circuit. At cathode, protons, and oxygen combine to form water molecule. Methanol. It is also known as methanol alcohol, wood naphtha, or wood spirits. It has chemical formula H3OH. It is a light, colorless, flammable liquid with a distinctive odor. At room temperature, it is a popular liquid. 2H3OH plus 3O2 gives rise to 2CO2 plus 4H2O. Its boiling point is 64.90 degrees Celsius. Its freezing point is minus 93.9 degrees Celsius. Its relative density is 0.8. Advantages of H2O2 fuel cell. The cell works continuously till hydrogen, oxygen are supplied at the electrodes. It does not cause population. The water produced is used as fresh water by astronauts and in submarines. Fuel cells are used in lunar landing vehicles, space stations, orbiting the Earth, submarines, etc. Methanol advantages of methanol oxygen fuel cell. Methanol is a liquid under normal conditions, allows it to be stored, transported, and dispensed easily. Example: gasoline, oil, and diesel fuel. Disadvantages of H2O2 fuel cell: hydrogen attraction, cost of raw materials, investment is required, and highly flammable. Disadvantages H3OH-O2: high energy costs associated with generating hydrogen. Generation from synthetic gas still depend on fossil fuels. Energy density is 1/2 of that gas online, and 24% less than ethanol. Issues: Fuel cells cannot be large scale energy production. Hydrogen is a gas and requires a much larger storage volume compared to fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, etc. There is no efficient means of mass producing hydrogen. Thank you for listening my and seeing my PPT. Thank you, sir.